Hi everyone, my name is Moali. Today I'm with you to share how to make the natural balanced soup, tomato and basil, which is a high protein soup powder. But before I start, I'm just going to share some of the benefit of this product for who that having the actual diet and you wants to having a healthy life and I'm gonna just share with you some of the benefit that this product has. As you can see here, it's a non-GMO product and it's actually you can use it for 21 portion. And the most important thing that is you see the logo here is the Swedish Science Quality Nutrition. And the other important things that I think is really important for me, that is this product, the people who are actually vegan, they can use this product too, and it's a gluten-free product. So I'm just gonna open this product and so just gonna use the scope. And I'm just going to use a spoon instead of the scope. So I'm just going to use 2 spoons of this product, and then I'm just going to add some hot water. Slowly I'm just putting some hot water and start mixing it. Just you can add some hot water slowly. Smell really nice, and I'm sure that the taste is gonna be the same. But something really interesting about this product is that is actually you can smell the basil and tomato. It's like it's fresh made. I'm just gonna try a bit. Wow, the taste is amazing. So that's it. It just take a few seconds, as you can see, to make this soup. And if you have any question, you can just feel free to ask me, and thank you for watching this video.